Look at here, question number 14a. Find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP whose 8th term is 45. Okay, only you are given here 8th term. हामीलाई 8th term given छ. 8th term मात्रै given भएको बेलामा हामीले sum of first 15 terms find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay, so let's solve it है. हामीले कसरी find out गर्ने? First of all, let's write here given things. Given मा हामीलाई के छ त? Okay, in given we are given here 8th term. We are given here 8th term. 8th term भनेको त simply T8 हो. T8 is equals to, here it is given 45. 8th term भनेको हामीलाई 45 given छ है. अब यसमा 8th term को formula पनि लेखिराखौं. You know that the formula for 8th term is a plus 7d. Okay, a plus 7d is equals to 45. यसलाई equation first suppose गरौं. And what you are asked simply एउटा मात्रै कुरा given छ हामीलाई. A plus 7d is equals to 45 मात्रै given छ, and you are asked to find here sum of first 15 terms. र सोधेको के छ भने sum of first 15 terms भनेर सोधेको छ. Okay, that means S15 is equals to what? Love S15 भनेको के हो भनेर सोधेको छ. Okay, you know the formula. Okay, so let's write by formula. सबभन्दा पहिले त हामीले SN को फर्मुला लेखौं. Okay, by formula SN is equals to n upon 2. Okay, then 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, this is the formula for SN. Okay, this is the formula for SN है. हामीले SN को फर्मुला लेख्यौं. So if we know the formula for SN, okay, now we can easily write the formula for S15. So let's write. Okay, therefore we can write here S15. S15 is equals to, simply we can write in place of n, we have to write 15. So let's write here 15 upon 2, then 2a plus, okay, n minus 1 means we can write here 15 minus 1, 15 minus 1, then d. Okay, अरु त कुनै भ्यालु थाहै छैन हामीलाई. Okay, simply we'll write in this way. Then it will be 15 upon 2. Okay, then 15 plus 15 minus 1 means minus 1 भनेको 14d. Okay, so here it is 14d. अब हामीले simply यसमा के गर्न सकिन्छ त, we can take here 2 common. अरु केही पनि छैन हामीलाई गर्न सकिने गर्न मिल्ने भनेको we don't have the value for a, we don't have the value for d. A र d कुनैको भ्यालु थाहै छैन. So simply we'll take here 2 common. Okay, ल हेरौं यसमा 15 यो 2 common आउँदा I'll write here just 2. 15 into 2 divided by 2 यहाँ common आइसकेको छ है. So यहाँ a plus 7d. A plus 7d. This 2 and 2 we can cancel. Okay, then we'll have here 15. अब थाहा पाइराख्ने a plus 7d भनेको त यहाँ चाहिँ a plus 7d is equals to 45. Okay, a plus 7d means 45 we can write. यहाँ चाहिँ simply from equation 1 भनेर लेख्यो भने I think you can understand है. बुझिन्छ होला. किन भन्दा हामीले a plus 7d को ठाउँमा 45 राख्यौं. किन भन्दा a plus 7d भनेको 45 छ. From the equation first. From equation first. Okay, let's simply अब हामी multiply गरौँ यसलाई. 15 into 45. Okay, अब 45 लाई 15 सँग multiply गर्दा what will get? Okay, so we'll get here 675. 675. So let's write the conclusion. Yeah, when as find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP. Hence the sum of first 15 terms of an AP is, hence the sum of first 15 terms. First 15 terms of an AP is 675. Okay, so this is the complete solution for question number 14a. Okay, so question number 14c, the sum of first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression is 21. यहाँ चाहिँ arithmetic progression को sum of the first 3 terms भनेको चाहिँ हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ 3 terms को sum 21 हुन्छ भनेर भनेको है. If the sum of first 2 terms is subtracted, sum of first 2 terms भनेको दुईटा first को दुईटा term लाई sum गरेर if it is subtracted from the third term बाट subtract गर्यो भने then it would be 9. त्यो चाहिँ 9 हुन्छ भनेको है. So find the three terms of the series. दुईटा कन्डिसन गिवन छ. यो क्वेशनमा के छ भने फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेन्ड टर्म र थर्ड टर्म बाहेक अरु कुनै टर्महरुको कुरा गरिएको छैन है. फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेन्ड टर्म र थर्ड टर्म बाहेक अरु कुनै टर्मको कुरा गरिएको छैन. यु कान्ट सी हियर फोर्थ टर्म, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेभेन्थ, थर्ड. यहाँ चाहिँ फर्स्ट, सेकेन्ड र थर्ड तीनटा टर्मको मात्रै कुरा गरिएको हुनाले you will suppose here three terms. हामीले generally suppose गर्ने three terms we are going to suppose here first. हामी arithmetic progression को लागि okay, generally three terms if we have to suppose, then we will always suppose here let a minus d comma a and a plus d be the three terms of the series. Okay, in this way we have to suppose let a minus d, a and a plus d be the three terms of the series. यसरी arithmetic progression को तीनवटा टर्म हामीले सपोज गर्नु पर्यो भने यो तीनवटा टर्महरु सपोज गर्ने. ओके, अब यसमा हेरौं हामीलाई यसमा के छ त फर्स्ट कन्डिसन भनेर लेख्दा पनि भयो. यु क्यान राइट हियर फर्स्ट कन्डिसन. Okay, first condition ma what is given here? The sum of first three terms of an arithmetic progression is 21 भनेको छ. त्यो भनेको के हो त? Sum of the first three terms is equals to 21. Sum of the first three terms of an arithmetic progression भनेको simply you can write here AP. This is equals to given here 21. Okay, अब हामीसँग तीनवटा टर्म मात्रै छ भने okay, you can see only three terms. हामी त्यो सबैलाई अब सम भनेको के हो त सबैलाई एड गर्ने. Okay, that means we have to write here by adding these three terms. Adding that is यसलाई हामीले यसरी लेख्न मिल्यो. यो भनेको चाहिँ a minus d then plus a then plus a plus d. Okay, a minus d plus a plus d भनेको यो तीनवटा टर्मलाई सिम्पली हामीले एड गरेको है. सिम्पली एड गरेका छौं. यसको सम हामीलाई गिवन छ 21. So we can write it 21. यसमा this minus d plus d we can cancel. Okay, यसरी क्यान्सल गरेपछि what we get here a plus a भनेको छ. तीनवटा a को सम भनेको सिम्पली 3a हुन्छ. 3a is equals to 21. Okay, or simply we can write here a is equals to 21 upon 3. So 3 sevens are 21. Therefore we found here the value for a. A को भ्यालु चाहिँ 7 आयो. अब यो फर्स्ट कन्डिसन हो. Okay, this is finished. फर्स्ट कन्डिसन भइसक्यो. अब सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनमा जाउँ. Sum of first two terms is subtracted from the third term, then it would be 9 भनेको छ. Okay, अब सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन भनेर लेखौं. सेकेन्ड कन्डिसन what we can write here. Okay, second condition मा के भनेको sum of first two term is subtracted from the third term. त्यसो भए थर्ड टर्म भनेको हाम्रो a plus d हो. a plus d बाट माइनस सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने. के सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने? sum of first two terms. त्यो फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स को सम सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने भनेको चाहिँ a minus d plus a सबट्र्याक्ट गर्नुपर्ने भन्ने कुरा बुझ्यो है. हो, यसो गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ what will get here 9. अब सिम्पली यहाँ बुझौं. यो कन्डिसनले हामीलाई के भनेको छ त sum of first two term is subtracted from the third term. यही हो sum of first two terms भनेको a minus d plus a हो. यसलाई हामीले कहाँबाट सबट्र्याक्ट गर्यौं? थर्ड टर्मबाट. थर्ड टर्म भनेको a plus d हो. त्यसैले यो चाहिँ यो सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनले भन्न खोजेको कुरा यो है. Simply you have to understand in this way. Okay, so what we can write here then? A plus d then a minus 3. हामीले पहिला simply let's add here. A plus a भनेको 2a minus d we can write. This is equals to 9. Then what we can write further here? A plus d minus. Okay, if we simply multiply inside by minus sign, then minus 2a minus into minus plus d is equals to 9. So let's again. D plus d means we can write here 2d. A minus 2a means simply minus a is equals to 9. Okay, अब यसमा हामी के गर्छौं त? a को भ्यालु त हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गरिसकेका छौं. You can see here the value for a is 7. So simply we'll write here 2d minus 7 is equals to 9. you can write here in the region since a is equals to 7. हामीले a को value चाहिँ simply 7 राख्यौं. So we got here 2d is equals to 9 plus 7. Okay, then 2d is equals to 16. Okay, 9 plus 7 means 16. Or we found here d is equals to 16 upon 2. Okay, 2 8s are 16. Therefore, what we found here d भनेको त हामीले we found here 8. Okay, अब हामीलाई a को पनि एउटा मात्रै भ्यालु छ 7, d को पनि एउटै भ्यालु छ भने we'll get here simply by putting the value of a and d in these terms. यो टर्म्सहरुमा हामीले a र d को भ्यालु पुट गर्दियौ भने we'll get the 3 terms of the series. Okay, so let's put here. Okay, we can write here when a is equals to 7 and d is equals to 8. D is equals to 8. We have when a is equals to 7 and d is equals to 8. We have a minus d को भ्यालु के हुन्छ त simply a को ठाउँमा हामीले 7 राख्ने है 7 then minus d को ठाउँमा 8 राख्दाखेरि we'll get here -1. a को भ्यालु त अब के छ 7 नै छदैछ 7 नै भइहाल्यो अनि a plus d भनेको चाहिँ we'll get here a means 7 and then d भनेको plus 8 गर्दा we'll get here 15. Okay, हो यसरी चाहिँ हामीलाई के आयो त we found here 3 terms. So we can write here conclusion. हामीलाई के भनेको छ find the 3 terms of the series. Hence the 3 terms of the series are hence the three terms of the series are hence the 3 terms of the series are एउटा -1, next one is 7 and 15. Okay, so in this way we completed this question number 14C. Okay.